These can also be called paradiddles. The world of tap dancing is crazy with how things were named regionally or whatever. So call it whatever you want to. I'm going to call it a paddle and roll. It has 4 sounds. Catch your breath. I'm jumping in. We have our dig brush steps that we do that have 3 sounds. We're going to add a 4th sound to this to do a dig brush and a step heel. So instead of just dig brush step, you're going to drop your heel to make that 4th sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dig, brush, step, heel. Paddle, and roll. So the dig brush is your paddle. And then the step heel, I guess, is the roll. Dig, brush, step, heel. 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your weight is starting to switch on the step. So you don't want to just touch it and then switch it. You're starting to pull your weight onto the step and then just let the heel drop. Dig, brush, step, heel. Dig, brush, step, heel. Switching your weight side to side. 4 sounds. Dig, brush, step, heel. Dig, brush, step, heel. And then as we get faster, you're going to want to make them smaller. So instead of putting your foot way out here, they should stay right up under you. Little tiny, tiny sounds. And this takes, to get faster, it just takes time and practice and dexterity through your foot. Let's put them together in a little pattern so we can get a lot of practice with our paddle and rolls. 4 sounds. We're going to do 7, leading with your right foot. So you're going to go dig, brush, step, heel, 2, brush, step, heel, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to go step, heel, heel. So out on your 8th one, where it would be, you're going to step, heel left, step, heel right. Then your left foot's free to start the pattern over, and we'll do 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 step heels, right and a left hand. Yeah, so 7 paddle and rolls or paradiddles and 2 step heels, and then we'll immediately go into the other side. So I'm going to put some music on. You can't mess it up. We're just practicing that motion of dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. And if you say it, if your feet don't have it yet, saying that might help. Here we go. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. So we're going to go a little bit faster. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. Here we go, right foot. 5, 6. Your right foot does the dig, brush, step, heel. Dig, brush, step, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 2 step heel. Start it over. Dig, brush, step, heel. Dig, brush, step, heel. Dig, brush, step, heel. 5, 6, 2 step heels, right and left. Yeah, let's do it again. Right foot leads. 5, 6. Dig, brush, step, heel. Dig, brush, step, heel. 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 2 step heels. Start it over. Left, right. Dig, brush, step, heel. 5, 6, 7, 2 step heels. Yes, very nice. Okay, we're going to break it down. You're going to go to, we did 7, you're going to do 3. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. 2 step heels. Then your left foot will go 1, 2, 3, 2 step heels. Then we're going to do 1 dig, brush, step, heel. 2 step heels, 1 dig, brush, step, heel, 2 step heels. Then you'll repeat the 1, 2 step heels, then left, 2 step heels. Woo! Or just do this the whole time. Don't worry about the step heels. It'll be fine. So let's one time without the music try it. We're going to go 3 dig, brush, step, heels, 2 step heels, 3 and 2. And then 1 dig, brush, step, heel, 2 step heels. I'll call it out. Right foot's going to lead. 3 paddle and rolls. 5, 6, dig, brush, step, heel. Right, left. Now we're going to do 2 step heels. Start it over. Dig, brush. This is 2. This is 3. 2 step heels. Now we're going to do 1 dig, brush, step, heel. 2 step heels. 1 dig, brush. 2-step heels. So we'll do that again. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Very nice. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with the music from the top. So 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll call it out. You can't mess it up. It is a bit faster, but that's okay. That's okay. Here we go. We'll start right here. 5, 6. Big brush step heel, big brush step heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2-step heels. Now your left foot goes. Big brush step heel, big brush step heel. 5, 6, 7, 2-step heels. Here's 3. Big brush step heel. 2-step heels. Left side. 3, 2, 1, 2-step heels. Here's 1, 2-step heels. Left. 1, 2-step heels. Right. Big brush step heel. Last one. Big brush step heel, step heel, step heel. Woo! We're gonna do it one more time. Very nice, y'all. We'll do this all again next week. We're just practicing that motion through our feet, and we're gonna have some paddle and rolls in our combo, of course, as well. So let's go back to the top. 7 and 2-step heels. 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. You're doing awesome. Here we go. Woo! Right foot starts us. 5, 6. Big brush step heel, big brush step heel. Right and left. Big brush step heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2-step heel. Start it over. Left. Right. Big brush step heel. 5, 6, 7, 2-step heels. Here's 3. Big brush step heel. 2-step heels. Left side. Big brush step heel. 2-step heels. Here's 1. Big brush step heel. Step heel. Step heel. Big brush step heel. Again. Last one. Left. Right. Left. Yeah. Great job, y'all. Grab some water. Fantastic.